Bird and Kip, the Aquarium. Episode 1, Looking at a Newspaper. Kip was reading a newspaper. He saw an ad for Ocean Aquarium. Thought Kip.
The aquarium looks like fun. Maybe Bird would like to go with me.
Kip climbed up the tree.
Hey, Bird!
He called.
Do you want to?
But Bird was not in her nest.
Where is Bird?
Kip wondered. Kip climbed back down the tree.
She must be somewhere around here.
He said.
I'll go and look for her.
Meanwhile, Bird was reading a newspaper too. Thought Bird.
The aquarium looks like fun. Maybe Kip would like to go with me.
Bird flew back to the tree.
Hey, Kip!
She called.
Do you want to...
But Kip was not in his hole.
Where is Kip?
Bird wondered. Bird and Kip, the Aquarium. Episode 2, Looking for Kip, Looking for Bird. Bird was looking for Kip. Kip was looking for Bird. Bird looked near the giant rock first. Then she looked near the playground.
Where is Kip?
She wondered. Kip looked near the playground first. Then he looked near the giant rock.
Where is Bird?
He wondered. Bird saw a mouse.
Have you seen Kip?
Asked Bird.
Yes, I have,
Said Mouse.
I saw Kip near the giant rock.
Kip saw Squirrel.
Have you seen Bird?
Asked Kip.
Yes, I have.
Said Squirrel.
I saw Bird near the playground.
Kip went back to the playground. He didn't see Bird. Bird went back to the giant rock. She didn't see Kip.
Oh, well.
Said Kip.
I'll go to the aquarium by myself.
Oh well,
Said Bird.
I'll go to the aquarium by myself.
Bird and Kip, the aquarium. Episode 3, looking at fish. Bird flew around the aquarium.
Look at all these fish.
She said.
I wish Kip was here.
Kip walked around the aquarium.
Look at all these fish.
He said.
I wish Bird was here.
Bird saw an octopus. She touched a huge stingray. She fed some sea turtles. Kip spotted a shark. It looked scary and mean. And it had lots of sharp teeth.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Kip ran away from the shark. He ran as fast as he could. Crash!
Squawk!
Cried Bird.
Sorry about that.
Said Kip. Then Bird and Kip looked at each other.
You're here.
They both said. The two friends laughed,
I'm glad you're here, Bird.
said Kip.
The aquarium will be more fun with you.
And I'm glad you're here, Kip.
Said Bird.
Everything is more fun with you.